The Visacrem V6 Plus is a top-of-the-range machine with the latest technology and contemporary styling. It's available with 2 or 3 group heads, a tall option for takeaway cups, and comes in a red, white, silver or black finish. The V6 Plus uses shot C-Clear technology to create mirrored glass buttons with 3D effect. The backlit digital display panel features a customizable screensaver and intuitive touchscreen controls. Manage audit functions, program settings, and view maintenance reminders quickly and easily. The built-in USB port allows for import or export of settings and customizations. Optional Grouptronic technology allows the user to select the exact temperature for each group head with a precision of 0.2 degrees. The angled group handles allow for better grip and a reduced risk of RSI. The V6 Plus is a heavy-duty machine designed to cope with non-stop coffee production. Easily make multiple coffees and drinks at the same time. A tall model is also available with extra space under the group head for takeaway cups. Optional automatic frothers make steaming milk easy.